Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make yummy, delicious homemade popcorn. This is so easy to make and it only takes a few minutes. You will need a brown paper bag, oil spray, popcorn kernels, and salt. First, add about a quarter cup of kernels into the brown paper bag. Then spray the kernels with some oil, about 2 seconds of spray. Then sprinkle in some salt, about 2 shakes of salt. Fold the bag, then shake it up real good. Next, put it in the microwave for about 2 minutes and 30 seconds, or until there are 2 to 3 seconds between pops. Next, shake it up. Shake it up real good. Open it up carefully. Make sure the steam does not burn you. Pour it into a bowl and enjoy.